Hi everyone, and welcome back to another BTLO Replay. Guys, we are closing out on the SOC Alpha series. This is the third video. Yes, we did SOC Alpha 1, 2, and 3. Actually, let me show you this real quick. So I'm on our BTLO YouTube page, right? Look at our most popular video to date is SOC Alpha 1. So you guys must love this series, right? So it's actually a good and bad thing. Because yes, we're bringing another video for the series, but this is the finale of the SOC Alpha series, SOC Alpha 3, right? So let's get back and let's cover this a little bit more. Alright, so we're back. The scenario is very short, right? Just like SOC Alpha 2 Lab, you are provided with more alerts, triggers, and ingested ELK logs, blah, blah, blah. Alright, showing your hunting skills to answer the questions for each alert. Where are my manners? Guys, be sure to follow us on X, formerly known as Twitter, LinkedIn, tap in with us. Whoa, with us on LinkedIn, and don't forget to join our Discord server, guys. The Discord server is going crazy right now, so definitely tap in with us and join the Discord server and stay in touch with the BTLO community, and definitely check out the links below this video. So we have SOC Alpha 3 is going to be using ELK again, right? And we have a lot of MITRE IDs here, right? But yeah, let's get started. I'm going to boot the machine up, and I'll see you guys in the lab. All right, guys, we are in the lab. It's booted up, ready to go. Let's take a look at the README. Always good to look at these to see what we need. Let's see. You can access Kibana with Firefox. Cool. Let's actually do that. If ELK doesn't seem to be started up. So let's see if it started up already. Give a quick check. Usually these links are pre-populated in the URL, or you can find them in the history, but we'll give both of them a shot. Firefox is loading up. Let's see what else we have here. Use cases, compression of data. Cool. All right. Very interesting. We'll come back to this later. Where is Firefox? Oh, why is it behind here? Let's open that bad boy up. All right, let's see. So hopefully this is the ELK. Oh, it's not ready. All right, I'll see you guys when it's ready. All right, we're back and ELK is up and running. I just had to run these commands in sudo, all these in sudo, and now I am in the web browser. Cool. Being that this is a very old lab, we're definitely gonna have to change the dates on here. Let's put it back. A couple years, man. I'm just gonna do 2017, although the platform has not been around that long. Might as well. And there we go. We got our hits, 429. All right, let's get started with question 1. Right. What program is used for compression? Now, when we first see this question, right, what program is used for compression, we have to understand what is a compression program, right? So luckily I have another external link to showcase you guys to explain what a compression program is. Catch you soon. All right, so I am using TechRadar's article, very recent article, roughly a month old. And it talks about the best compression software, right? So when we talk about compression program, we're talking about compression software, right? These are your, let's see some examples, your WinZip, right? What else? WinRAR, okay? What else are 7-zip, right? These are very common when it comes to Lindo. I said Lindo. Windows. I was thinking about Linux. Yeah, pzip for Linux, so on. So we have a few here. We could filter for these on ELK and see which one comes up. I'm going to give WinRAR a shot. Oh my gosh, what? I can't pronounce anything right. I'm gonna give WinRAR a shot. Oh, Jesus. All right, let's just go to the lab. All right, I'm back in the lab. We're gonna give WinRAR a shot, right? I guess that's the new saying now, right? No more shot. So how can we filter for this? We could, see, I'm on Mac, forgive me. we could do a little asterisk. We actually do have an employee named Asterisk at the security blue team. That's funny. And yeah, let's filter for WinRAR. Again, we're on the same question. What compression software was used? So let me see if this goes through. Crossing my fingers. All right, so nothing goes through. Okay, all good. Let's see. Oh, hold on. I have the wrong index pattern up. Let's do Sysmon. See if anything comes up there. Ah, we got 14 hits via Sysmon. Cool, cool, cool. Don't forget to change your pattern a lot. I think the README goes into that, if I'm not mistaken. Not too sure, but I know the last SOC Alpha series they touched on that a little bit. But okay, we're back. We got 14 hits. There it is right there. WinRAR, right? So let's give that a shot, and we could just keep reading. And yeah, WinRAR. So it looks like that program was used. Let's see. Right here for compression. Not sure. Password is infected zip. Ooh, all right. Not sure what's going on here, but all good. Let's give that a shot. Let's see if that's the right answer. If not, we could try the other compression software. So it says what's a full path? Oof, it's gonna be tough. Is it this? Hold on, let me just double check. Yeah, I mean, let me try this. Hopefully my copy works. Let's see. All right, let's see if it has been copied to host. Paste. Nice. Let's see if it's that. Wow. Okay, cool. Nice one. See you guys on question 2. Another thing to add when it comes to question 1 that I forgot to expound on is check this out. If you go to the MITRE, right, attack framework, go to, where is it? I think it's collection, and go to archive collected data. Check this out. So you see this is a technique used by hackers, right? They compress data to help obfuscate, keep stuff hidden, right? Hide, right? Hide malicious files or things. But if you scroll down here, let me see if I can find it. Right here, look right here. Look at detection. How can we detect if hackers are archiving, collecting data, right? They're trying to steal something, trying to steal information, trying to break DLP, right? You look over here, you can monitor for things like compression software, like 7-zip, WinRAR, and WinZip, right? We found WinRAR being used in the system logs, right? And we know this is a compression software because we checked that article, right? So just a little fun thing, right, to filter for. Wait, why is this being used? Why is that being used? You might have this technique going on, right? So just wanted to drop by and share that with you guys. Let's get back to question 2. All right, question 2. What is the name of the compressed file? So we know WinRAR is being used. We have roughly 14 hits. We haven't checked for the other compression software, but let's just stick with this one. If we can't find anything, we'll jump. Let's see. So going through the same logs, right? We're gonna look very carefully. See if WinRAR's been used to. Oh, look right here. Look right here. So look at this command line, right? Look at this event data command line. RAR A -R, right? It looks like they're users nexus video gathering.r. Again, the .rar extension is common for WinRAR, right? So it looks like this attacker is gathering information or compressing it, possibly for exfiltration, as we saw with the MITRE Enterprise framework. Let's give this a shot. Gatherings.r. That's a very, very sketchy name, right? Sketchy zip file. Let's see. Copy that. Before I place it in, let me just make sure there's nothing else as well. That's exe. WinRAR. Yeah, that's the only one that really sticks out to me, right? Especially with the RAR extension, proving that they use WinRAR to compress information. All right, let's give it a shot, actually. Paste that in there. Gatherings.rar. Interesting. All right, so we're building a little case here, right? WinRAR is installed on the computer. It's being used, right, by a malicious entity to compress data to possibly exfiltrate the data to another, place. You know what's funny, guys? Let me actually show you this real quick. Quick sidebar. Check this out. All right, quick sidebar. I want to show you guys this real quick because I thought it was interesting and it's happening during the time of this recording, right? AT&T had their customer data stolen, right? Haven't really looked too much into it on how it was stolen, but it looks like it was through a unsecured Snowflake cloud storage account. Okay. But that's not the main point I'm trying to bring out. Is that data is valuable, guys, right? So valuable that what? The hacker initially demanded a $1 million ransom from AT&T, but AT&T, got counsel from a security researcher who was in a negotiator-based role, ad hoc negotiator-based role, and they cut it down to what, $370,000. But this is not anything. I'm not picking a side, or well, we know we choose a good side, but I'm just showing you data is valuable enough that companies will spend $250,000 just to make sure your data or their data is deleted off of other systems, right? Right there. They say, hey, we need you to record. We need you to record you put in the data, right? Our data in a recycling bin, proving that it's deleted. Now that's a joke, but that's what's going on, guys. Data is currency, right? So just wanted to share that real quick. So when we're looking at the SOC Alpha 3 scenario, this is real stuff, right? This data, whatever data this hacker got, it could damage the company, right? Let's get back to the lab. All right, question 3. Take a look at that. What is the name of the file that has been added to the registry? Oh my gosh, I have something to share with you guys regarding this question. But let's knock this out first. So let's stay on the same result, right? What is the name of the file that's been added to the registry? Who am I? So we can see that going on. Let's see if we scroll down a little bit more. I'm gonna show you guys this afterwards. But bear with me. So you see, we're still on the topic. Look right here. You're seeing a command, registry add HKey local machine. We'll break this down in a quick second. Blah, blah, blah. But look over here. They're adding this new file program. Let me look at the question again. The file, look right here. They're adding a process.exe, a program, to the registry, right? Now I'm not too sure what that program is, but you could tell it's a red flag. It's in a temp folder. What the heck is in a temp folder on a C drive? Usually malicious stuff, right? Now, and we could confirm if that's the answer, but let me show you this real quick and we'll jump back to the lab. All right, guys, I'm in our newly launched PowerShell course, and I want to show you something real quick because I thought this was interesting. Yes, you can use PowerShell for registry analysis. But if you look down here, right, remember that thing, the HKey, right, local machine, etc. I believe it was a run. Correct me if I'm wrong. I believe it was either run or run once. But check this out. Usually hackers will abuse the Windows registry system to make their malware persistent or have something boot up repeatedly, if that's even a word. So won't go too much into this, but yeah, when I saw that path, right, that registry path, and there's more to this as well too. But I saw this path, I'm like, you know what? I think I know what they're doing. They're adding a process to it to make it run constantly at a certain time or event, etc. Regardless, something's being abused in the registry system. So give this course a look. Right, but let's jump back into the lab. So we're back, Let me scroll down. I think I lost it a little bit. Where is it? But we know what's going on. They're abusing the registry system. Now, I want to take a look at that path once again before we put in our answer. Where the heck is it? I think I lost it. Let's see. It was reg. There we go, right here. Oh, so it was H key local machine. So run, right? Run. The other one showed run once. This one's run, so it runs at a certain time or event, etc. Right? And then we have this process or program right here. Let me try to copy and paste this. Again, I don't know too much about that program, but it seems quite efficient to me, seeing that it has been added. And this is the day after we saw the WinRAR events, right? If you guys were keeping track of the time, which was on May 27th. Let's actually put that in there. Oh, what's the full path? Oof. All right, let me see if I could copy this. Give it a shot. Windows, and let's do, there we go. And let's see if that's the answer. Nice. Guys, that's very, very scary. They're adding files to the registry. We don't know what's going on. Obviously, this is red flag, but yeah, very interesting. And there's probably a MITRE ID, framework on it that covers hackers abusing the registry. You know what? Let's take a look at that. Hey guys, so I actually found it. It's ID T1112. Right here, adversaries may interact with Windows Registry to hide configuration information within registry keys or do some other things like execution, right? That program is a program that has to be executed. So very interesting. All right, let's jump back to the lab. All right, question 4, I think we're on. What is the reg value? So the registry value. To my knowledge, I believe these are data, let's see. Hold on, let's get an article. All right, get an article. Hey, sometimes you don't remember stuff, right? We're not walking computers. So registry value, right? It said reg value, registry value. These are named data pairs stored within keys, right? And it goes into more information on that as well too. Not trying to get too deep into it, but knowing what we're looking for, let's look for this registry value. Let's jump back to the lab. So we're back in the lab and let's look for the value. You know what? Let me see. Oh, it was actually within here, the same line right here. You can see the /V, right? Value. And we have Windows process. Interesting. Let's give that a shot though to verify, but I am highly confident that that is the answer. I don't know why my thing's not working. I'm actually trying a new thing. I realized you could actually right click if you press, like put 2 fingers and click on the mouse pad on Mac. It's actually a right click. I just found that out, and I've been a Mac user for many years, so it's kind of sad. Let's see, Windows process. Yep, there we go. Knock that out. Sweet. All right, we are on question 5. So sadly, my Kibana crashed. So I just booted it up again. And I already have the filter in. So if you were wondering how I got to this, stand by. Wait, hold on. Let me go back. I forgot to run the question. Question 5. What is the timestamp when the logs are cleared? Right, so we're talking about logs being cleared, right? That is a sign of anti-forensic, right? You're trying to cover up your tracks, trying to clean up the mess from the scene you were in, try to remove the trace, right? Some spy stuff. Now, funny enough, there is an event ID log for this scene, right? Let me actually show you guys that in the next slide. Right here, Windows Security Log Event ID 1102. What does it cover? It's log whenever the security log is cleared. Wow. You see, we have to even have an event ID for this just for nefarious reasons, right? And there's probably some MITRE ID, tactic on this, going deeper into this. But that's what's going on. So let's actually check if this logs in our machine. So I already put the filter in, as mentioned, my Kibana crash or Elastic crash. So I put it in, right? You could put 02, or you could do event underscore system underscore event ID colon 1102. Either one. Make sure you are filtering for the right one. So we're in the security index. I made a mistake before pre-crash where I was trying to look for it in here and I couldn't find it. I was getting mad. Well, not that bad. But let's look into this. We have it here, right? Let's go deeper into it and see if we can find that timestamp, right? Oh, there you go, right there. So, yeah, security, event ID. So let's put that in. Let's see. Oh, it's cutting it off a little bit, but let's see. It wants year, so 2021. This is a very old lab. I forgot the thing. Year hyphen month hyphen day. And T. What the heck? Okay. 2021. Month is. No, that's not correct. Day is 28th. T. I think it wanted the hours. This seems to be what is this midnight? Is this midnight or yeah, this might be midnight actually. 00. Hopefully that's it. Let me just double check if that's yeah, that should be it. Give that a shot. Nice. Interesting. All right, let's jump to the next one. All right, question 6. Let's take a look at it. What is the log source from which you confirm this event? Actually, let's just stop there because that's the main thing I was having an issue with. The log source is when event hyphen security. All right, so we got that down. And what is the field name and value in the log? So just in case this doesn't copy, I'm just gonna, there we go. So field name and value. So let's actually scroll up. And look, you can see right here, available fields. So the field name, yeah, this is another way you could filter for it. You could have filtered via field name. I just put 1102, right? Kept it simple. But yeah, so the field name would be event system event ID. And then the value, see if we can find it here. There's the value right here, 1102. So, let's see if I can copy all this. Double click. I'm not sure what the format is, but we could give it a shot. Looks kind of choppy. Hopefully this works. You know what? Let me do this real quick. It says equal value. Okay, let's just do equal and not colon. Does it want? I don't think it wants the comma. And let's give this a shot. Nice. All right, question 7. Let's check this out. What do we have here? What is the program used for adding the firewall rule? What the heck is going on? Adding the firewall rule. Okay, interesting. Those just filter for anything that mentions firewall. Hold on. Let's leave this index and go to sysmon. Right? I think we're gonna have better chances here. And let's put firewall and give that a try. Oh, you know what? Okay, no, good. My filter is still there. So we got 9 hits for firewall. That's pretty cool. Let's scroll down. Task kill exe. Task kill exe. I don't think that's the program used for adding a firewall. If you're supposedly deleting it, right? Let's see what else I got here. So we have netsh exe. I'm gonna do some OSINT on this and I'll be right back. All right, so I found this article. It seems like it's a thing. Folks are using NetAce, and we'll cover what this tool is. But folks are using this tool or program to add firewall rules. I mean, you see right here, you have the syntax here, syntax here. If you go back a space, oh wow, even Microsoft covers it as well too. Firewall. Okay, I never used this tool before, so I'm not too familiar with it. But it looks like it covers. Let's see, what does it do? Well, let me just get rid of firewall. Looks like it deals with, you know, networking thing. Okay, cool. Let's jump back to the lab. All right, I think we found a program. Let's give it a shot. Net, even in the name, net, right? Net, SH, EXE. Nice. All right, question 8. Let's check a look at that. What is the rule name? I assume it's referencing question 7 with the firewall rule. So let's see. That was the program used to... Yep, that's the same thing we saw on the Microsoft page to build a firewall. There we go, right here. Add rule. And see, the rule name is Zoop TCP port 80. Okay. Not familiar with the application. I don't know what Zoop means in this context. Zoop TCP port 80. Interesting. I might have to phone a network engineer. Give me some more context to that. Zoop TCP, was it port 80? I don't have a, let me just double check. Yeah. Okay, interesting. All right. All right, question 9. Take a look at this. What is the program used for downloading the suspicious file? It's very ambiguous or ambiguous. All right, I'm still learning, guys. Now, man, how do we find this out? What we could do, theoretically, we could check for any like CMD references, right? See if they downloaded it via the command prompt. Let's see what we get here. Only 70 hits? Okay. That can't be right. 70 hits for CMD? Okay, whatever. We gotta read all this stuff. Let's see. So, let me just do this real quick. Make it better to read, because this is way too much. We could scroll down real quick. See if we can find that. I want to build a quick table. This is going to give us a better viewpoint. Where is parent command line? Let me see. There we go. Add that to the table. So parent command line, and I want to add command line as well too. Right? There it is. This is going to give us a better view. And let me close this. There we go. Whew, this is way cleaner. Alright, and we'll just scroll down until we can find something. I'm seeing a lot of tasks delete, right? We're on YouTube, guys. So we don't have to worry about that. We want to focus on things that are being used to download. So I keep scrolling down. It's on minor, yams, exe, DDG exe. All right. Oh, you're throwing that in the trash. Okay, cool. Interesting. If I don't find anything, I'll do a little jump cut. See if I could. Oh, that's that net again. Oh shoot! Look at this. Download. Keyword download. Right. Look at the question again. 9. What is the program used for downloading the suspicious file? Let me see. Download. Raw. Now it says bits admin. Let's look this up real quick. All right, so I'm on Microsoft documentation, and it says bits admin. You can't make this up. It's a command line tool, right? We look CMD that you can use to create, download, or upload jobs to monitor the progress. So it looks like you could use this for, again, downloading or uploading. Just reading the definition here, right? See more information. to create, download, or upload jobs. There you go. It's right there, right? Let's jump back to the lab. All right, so knowing that we found, download instance, and we have this program, bits admin, let's test it out. Let's see. It wants the extension too. I'm just gonna add EXE. It could be an EXE program. So bits admin. Oh, probably it is an EXE program. Give that a shot. Bam. There you go. All right, question 10. We're almost done, guys. Let's take a look at that. What is the URL from which the file is downloaded? That should be in the same. Yep, right here. It's kind of split a little bit, so you might have trouble seeing it depending on your monitor screen. Right click. Oop, don't want to open link. It won't work anyway. There's no internet on the box. And let's test that out. I could throw that in VT to get more information on it. I'm curious. Paste. There we go. All right, I decided to throw it in VT. Looks like a status 404 error. So obviously this was a one-time thing. The resource has been removed. But that was interesting. Pastebin seems to, I'm not too familiar with the site. It seems to be like a site like file.io where you could just upload and download stuff. All right, question 11. Take a look at that. Hunt for the dark side ransomware sample. And what is the MD5 hash of the sample? Now this you have to do OSINT on it. I just did some quick research. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So, and it's weird. Check this out. So if we do this, and this is a file I saw earlier in the lab, but I didn't really pay no attention to it. I thought it was a file downloaded from Malwarebytes. The guy that works at Unit 42 at Palo Alto. I thought that's where he got it. But if you look over here, how did it go? Let's see what's infected. Check this out. Right? So you see, look at this file name, right? And it has a password. Password is infected zip. So let's open this up a little bit because I want to grab that file name. I'm going to show you why it's important. Oops. And copy there. Check this out. So I'm going to remove this. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. Let's paste that there. Filter. All right, I'm back. All right, so I was going through an issue, right? Trying to get the right hash. There we go. This was the one I was looking for right here. Jeez. All right, so we have the name right here. This is a weird file name, executable. But look at the hash as well too, right? This, remember, starts with a 9D and it ends with an 84. This is the MD5 hash as the question states. Check this out. I'm gonna show you a cool resource. So I'm on obscured OBS. I don't even know how to say the name, but shout out to them. I am on this GitHub repo for the dark side ransomware. They claim it's real ransomware. Check out the file name, right? It's the same name, that same string, the 15. But look at the hash as well too, 9D. Oops. Oh, there's virus total. We can actually check that out as well too. It did. D5. That is the same hash we saw on our logs. And we could take a look at the. Jeez. Look, even the hash, even the name is attributed to dark side ransomware, right? So let's go back to the lab. So we're back, and knowing that this file is the actual ransomware file and this is the MD5 hash, we can finally answer the question, which was, what was the MD5 hash? Right? Earlier I was having issues finding the right hash, but I wasn't looking correctly, despite having the file name. So let's copy that. Copy, and let's paste that in there. And that should give us the answer. Nice. All right, question 12. I think we're on. The alert is triggered using the process ID flag DLL host exe Find out the full command associated with it. I assume with it is question 11, which is the dark side ransomware. So what we could do, keep this up. I'm gonna get rid of hashes. We really don't need that anymore. Let's see. Let me add another filter. Hold on. Let me just open this or add something to the table real quick. Actually, I don't know. I'll keep it like. Actually, I'll keep the table like that. Let me actually scroll down to the rest because we're looking for. It wants the full command. We already have 2 in the table for that. Let's scroll down. See if we see anything out of place. We could filter for DLL host exe as well too, alongside the dark side malware name. I might have to do that actually. I'm just taking a quick look. One more. Okay. Let's filter for that as well too. Let's see. I know it supports Boolean. Oops. Let's do D. I can never tell if this is lowercase. Actually, no, it should be lowercase. Host exe. See if that works. Okay. All right, we're cooking in here. And yeah, I think that's it. I think that's the command line it's looking for. CC, DSL hold. Yeah, so it's using this process ID. Let me just double check real quick. Alert is triggered. Using the process ID flag, yeah. Let's give it a shot. I mean, this has to be it, but hey, you never know until you put it in. Oh man. Alright, let's copy it again. Nice. I can finally copy and paste now. You don't know the pain I had to go through. Let's see if this is it. Yay! Okay, cool. Alright, hey, question 13. We're almost done. Let's see. There is an event to delete the malware from the system. Can you find the full command? Threw me off a little bit. It said event. I didn't know if you were looking for event IDs, but it seems to want a command, a full command. So what I'll do, I'm gonna get rid of this. And since we're still talking about the malware, I'm gonna keep this here. I'm just gonna filter for any instance of this dark side malware, and it will look through the command. We'll look through the table again, see if we can find anything interesting of the malware being, I guess, deleted. So let's scroll down, see if we spot anything. Notepad, WinRAR. Okay, no. Is that it? Oh, hold on. Wait. Is this it? CMD exe delete user Nexus download. Nexus down. Oh yeah. That's it. Okay. Yeah, interesting. Okay, I almost missed that. Let's copy that. What's going on? So the malware got on the system. Someone's deleting it off the system. And we're just going through the logs. Okay. Interesting. Nice. Alright, question 14. What is the username of the mining server used? You know what's funny about this one? While we were doing this lab, I did see some referencing to the mining. I didn't pay any attention, though. I hope we could still find them. Hold on. Get rid of all this. Let me do this filter real quick. I just want to see something if I can find that name for that mining program. What was it? Certain. It was task. This is not the name of the program, but I saw it. I saw this being used against it. Task delete exe. Gotta be safe out here. Let's see. Damn, 1,000 hits? I don't know if I'm gonna find this thing. Oh wait, hold on. See if I can find it here. I'm just skimming, see if it pops out to me. See right there? Hold on. Yes. So we have miner exe, we have xmrig exe. Hold on, give me a sec. So I'm on Microsoft community page, and they're talking about xmrig, right? It even sounds like a crypto miner. And they're going into, I mean, it is a crypto miner, right? I just wanted to pull this article out to show you that this is a crypto miner, but there's more to this. Let's jump back to the lab. So we know we have miner, we have xmrig. Let's see. What we could do. Let me see, because most of these crypto miners, they use internet connection, right? They use your hardware to mine cryptocurrency, right? And they transfer data over the internet. Funny enough, I actually seen this in the SOC back in the days, right? True story, right? We had won't say the client's name, but certain client, right? And this one random employee, right? Oh, I don't even know if they were an employee or not, but whatever. Walked into the corporate building, and bam, our alerts started going off. We're like, what the heck? What the heck? SOC guys like, yo, we're getting signs for a crypto miner. Like, what? Crypto miner on our network. Turns out, and somebody, I don't know if she was an employee or not, she hopped on the corporate network, started playing some video game, and this game had a crypto miner on it, but it was using so much internet bandwidth, right? It flagged the SOC. So we eventually, looked through the network logs, got the MAC address, figure out, oh, they're on an iPhone, go consult with anybody on the iPhone downstairs, blah, 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 end of story. We got her off the network. They told her to go do that stuff on the guest network. I'm like, what? But I brought that story up because, yes, they use the network a lot. So what we could do, we could filter for, what is that event? We could filter for event 22. So we can monitor for, queries, right, on the network. So let me see if I still remember it. It was event ID. No, wasn't it? What the heck? What? Event system, sorry. System, and then I think it's event ID. Yep, there it is right there. I'm going to do a :22 filter for that. See if we could get some. I really got to change this table. Table's not looking too good. Oh, you know what I should do? You know what I could do? Check this out. Just thought about this. Let's see if that miner. Well, hold on. Pause. Let's see if that program, that crypto miner program, is being used to reach out to anything else. Let me see. What was the name of it? xmrig, right? Let's give that a shot. Hold on. Let me see. Hopefully this works. Okay. We got even more hits. Okay, what to look for? Let's filter for. Let's put this in the table. Yeah, it's right here. Why didn't I find it? I'm gonna add that to the table. Let me close this up. All right, there we go. That's a better viewpoint. GitHub. We don't have to worry about that. I want to look for YouTube. Hold on, I just saw something. Look at this. Pool dot mine x. Now I'm not too sure what the heck that is. I could do VT on it. That one stuck out to me like a sore thumb. I mean, the other ones are just, yeah, these are kind of goofy too. Hold on, let me look this up in VT. Yo, we're back. Yo, check this out. This is a red flag. Oh my goodness. Non-compromise. Jeez. All right, so what we could do here, we're not done yet. Let's actually jump back to the lab real quick. Oh my gosh. Wait. I want to go back. I just saw something interesting in VT, but it's going to be too childish, so I'm going to leave it alone. If you saw it, you saw it. Let's actually get rid of all this stuff, and let's filter for that site that was queried by the crypto thing. And update. Let's see how many hits we get. We got 2 hits. 2 hits. So let's look deeper into here. Man, I'm forgetting the question too. Hold on. Going on this rabbit chase. What is the username of the mining server being used? Username of the mining server being used. I don't see anything in here. Oh, check this out. Okay, cool. So we know XMRig was used to, connect to this thing. TCP, blah blah blah, port 7. Look at this. We have a -u, right? That's a flag for username. Look at this username and potential password. This is crazy. What kind of username is this? Let's even verify if this goes through. Messed up. This is some scary stuff, guys. Know what you're downloading in your computer. Format username. And this is the mining server, the pool.mineXM. That's literally the server. Let's see. Wow. All right, we're on question 15 now. Let's see. What is the version of the miner? I could take an educated guess and see if that goes through. Oh, that doesn't work. All right, never mind. Let's see. Looking through here. See. Oh, there it is right there. 6.12.1. Interesting. Let's give that a shot. 6.12.1. Bam. Nice one. All right. Second to last question. Question 16. Let's give it a good read. What is a full command attempted to stop the Windows Defender? Oof. They're going for the jugular. What we could do with this, we could use a previous command we did. Let me see if it pops up in our... Yes. We could search for this. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let me do this actually. Let me do this because it's probably going to give us like let's say 700 results. Let me do this. I have to think of stop loading. Come on. Oh, can I still type? Okay. Oof. Oh no. Oh. Session search. Okay, cool. It's complete. Thank you. Let's do not task delete exe, and let's do. I want to filter for WinDefend. Any instance of WinDefend. I believe that's the name. WinDefend. And let's see how that goes. Wow, he had 1,600 hits. Jeez, let's see if we can bring that down a little bit. 8 hits. Okay. Cool. And we just got to filter through these 8 hits. You know what? I should probably filter for a command line. Hold on. Let me filter for command line, and I'll do parent command line as well too. And that should give us a better viewpoint. Oh damn, couldn't move. All right, let's see. Wow, we have a lot of instances. So we have one net exe stop window fun. I mean, that's it doesn't get any plainer than that. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, net exe stop window fun doesn't really get any plainer than that. So I'm gonna copy that. I do see a net one. What is the question asking for? Full command. I'm gonna try this because it actually has a program affixed to it. Net exe. I could do some quick OSR to see what the heck that is, but for time's sake, because I'm running out of time right here, let's just give this a shot. Paste. Nice. All right, we are on the final question. Question 17. From CMD exe, the attacker tried to stop 3 more services with a bypass prompt flag. What are the services in alphabetical order? Lot going on here. They give us a hint that they use CMD exe, so let's just add that over here. We're going to keep the task delete exe because they're trying to remove files. Sorry, stop services. Let's see, CMD exe. Filter for that. Now you may be wondering, what the heck is a bypass prompt? Well, that's loading up. I'm gonna show you. So I found this article on Spicework, or I don't know if I guess a blog forum, and it looks like a bypass prompt is I don't know how to explain it. It's like you're adding the prompt might ask you answer or yes or no or blah blah blah. You're already adding that to your command to bypass that from happening, right? So it seems like this person tries, Y pipe. They have a /Q pipe. No, that's not pipe. Sorry, /Q and /X. Blah blah blah. But something along that side. Again, this is not my forte, but looking to see how to bypass those prompts. Let's see if I'm prepared. If I'm prompted for a yes or a no, answer would confirm. So we'll look for all of these and our output, force, anything that pops up, anything that's used to bypass a prompt. Let's jump back to the lab. All right, so I'm back. We have roughly 42 hits. Not too bad to filter through. Let me see, CMD, right? That's what we're looking for. So let's see, and it's for services, right? So let's scroll down, see if we can find anything pertaining to services. Look right here, it sticks out like a sore thumb. So we have the spooler services. I'm familiar with this because I did a lesson on spooler, right? It's the print service. So we have spooler, and we can see that bypass prompt right here, /Y. So net stop spooler, then net stop, not sure what that is, and then net stop this too, right? So it seems like the hacker wants to stop these 3 services in respected order, and you can look at the time. Let's see, 9. Actually, how does it want? It says alphabetical order, so we won't worry about the time. So alphabetical order, BS, WB, W. Okay, so it's similar order. So let's take a look at it. Yes, it doesn't cover it. Well, let's see if we could conclude on this lab. Let's see, spooler, WBIO, SRVC, and W. I'm getting nervous. We're about to complete it. Time's running out. Man, can you type? Okay, I'm trying. WLT SVC. Does this work? Let's go. SOC Alpha 3. The series has been completed. Guys, thank you for joining me in this cool video today. Hopefully you had some fun, learned something new, and most importantly, picked up a new skill, right? Which goes into learning something new. Why am I repeating myself? But no, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to never miss a video. Definitely tap in with us on Discord X and tune in every Friday at 6 p.m. UTC for BTLO Replay. Thanks, everyone. See you next time. Peace.